Hi everyone, welcome to a brand new monthly VBKit reveal. This is Frostine. It is December's kit, and first and foremost, I just wanted to say thank you to all of you who waited patiently for this kit. We had issues with shipping. Actually, one product was super delayed. It was held up at DHL warehouse, then in customs, and yes, but thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. You guys are the best for waiting so patiently. So let's dive right in. This is the clear tape. This one is the spread of like diamonds and snowflakes, very dainty. And then this one is my favorite. It's a floral mix. So a lot of you like the efflorescence clear tape with the florals and then another overlay with the foil. So I kind of did that with this one too. Usually towards the end of the year, I do some sort of calendar cards. And now that we have the acrylic display to house your calendar cards, I decided to go a different route this time, and I took graphics from past VB kits from 2022, and as you can see, a lot of these graphics do look familiar, like March's Belltown, the houses. I took April for Belltown too because we didn't have a kit in May, actually, and this one's Solstice and this one's Oceana. So if you really take a look at each card, you'll see exactly where it came from. I kind of mix things up. Like this one, September is actually academia, and then October is for Halloween. So I kind of switched it up a little bit, just so it kind of matched with the month a little bit better. These are 3x4 cards, so they fit perfectly into this holder right here. I usually put 3 in here. You can't put all of them because it's too thick, but usually the first 3 months, and then you're going to change them out, but the next 3 months fit perfectly into this section. You'll find 2 sticky notes in this kit. One says Memo, and it has kind of like a grayish light blue background with silver foil. If I can open the packaging. Having a little trouble here. But yeah, very simple, very simplistic. And then this one is kind of like a light pink purple. This one's the noted one, and it has silver foiling as well. So 2 sticky notes in this kit. This kit pen is very special because it is the first time that I have ever mixed crystals with pearl beads together in one pen. So this is Frostine. It is an all silver metal pen, and the crystals in this one is a iridescent clear blue, okay, with light blush pink crystals, and then you'll see pearl light blue beads in it. This pretty thing is a Dangle charm keychain. It is similar to the one you received in last year's Duchess Advent calendar box. I really like this one. It's super neutral. I designed it so it can match with anything. Especially I see a lot of you decorating your wallet clutches and then your regular clutches. So you just hook this on to kind of like the keychain wristlet. It is not meant to be used as a wristlet. If you did use it like as a wristlet, it would probably break. It is very delicate, so try not to use it as a wristlet and more of a keychain. Okay, now let's talk about stickers. In the sticker book pack, you'll see an extra sheet of the first page, just because manufacturer misprinted, and as you can see, it should be foiled where this orange mark is, so they reprinted that and added an extra sheet. I'm just going to put this right on top. See, brand new, extra stickers for you. And just go quickly through the 11-page sticker book. I love the silver foil against these colors. They look so pretty. This is your VB weeks. And then your day covers, 4 of them, your headers, your blank boxes, and then your full boxes, your blank full boxes and icons, and then your deco boxes. And then this is something that I decided to do, just a little thank you to all of you who waited so patiently for this kit. So extra 2 clear sticker sheets, and then your pretty journaling card. Oh, excuse me. Oh gosh. Okay. This is the sticker pack. So that's the first, second, third. Every month I always try to mix it up a little bit. Excuse me. Just so you have a variety of stickers. Especially a lot of you favor the little sticker pack. I don't have a project for you guys for this video this month, but I do want to show you how I decorated my planner using the Frostine kit. You know, my planning style is kind of simple, but at the same time, I love decorating. That's why my whole motto for my shop is beautify your planner, because I just love to make my planner pretty, but at the same time, it's still simple because I need a lot of room for my to-dos, especially for this one. This is my work planner slash a little bit of personal stuff in there, but so many things you can do with the Frostine kit. Oh, and I wanted to show you something. This is new. I'm kind of testing this out to see how all of you like pet tape, PET tape, pet tape? I guess pet tape. We'll call it pet tape. It's like a clear satin tape, and what I did is I actually cut out like the florals and like the floral bouquets and some of the diamonds, and I placed them all around my planner and used them as stickers. So I think that's the new thing that people use the pet tape for. So you know, if you guys like it, let me know in the comments, and I will try to make the pet tape match every kit as like an add-on and release them after, you know, kits go out, because not everyone uses pet tape, so at least you have the option to pick it up or not. And so yeah, this is my planner. Simple but decorative, and it still works. Okay, and that is the reveal. I kept it short, simple, and sweet, just because this kit is delayed and we wanted to get this video out. But yeah, I hope you guys like it, and from what I have been seeing on social media, you guys are loving it. So, I'm probably, you know, I like to change things up with every kit, but it's so great that you guys do love this kit. And again, thank you so much for being so patient with us while this kit was delayed. Don't forget to to reserve next month's kit, and I will see you again soon. Bye.